Hi, Terry here from Elecruiser. I want to talk about clown pedaling. Clown pedaling happens when your mechanical gear is too low for the pedal assist level you're riding at. The motor is kind of like going downhill. When you go downhill on a bike, you have to gear up. But when you add motor with pedal assist, you need to gear up also. Unfortunately, most e-bikes commonly employ a Shimano 14 to 28T Freewheel. That means its gears are 14 teeth through 28 teeth. Sometimes there's an eighth gear is 34 would be the biggest low gear. So we've modified a Freewheel tool to specially work for e-bikes, and we have this tool available for upgrading Freewheels in the shop here at Elecruiser. This Freewheel is common with a 48 tooth chain ring. What happens, 7th gear yields a ratio of 48 to 14, which is 3.4, and that's too low. So what happens as you're getting up into more motor, then the pedal starts spinning quickly, and that's what I call clown pedaling. So in order to fix clown pedaling, we swap in an 11 to 28 tooth Freewheel. So you get an 11 and a 13 that are higher ratios than that 14, and so you're yielding with the 48 tooth chain ring a 4.3 and a 3.7, which are both higher ratios than the 14 tooth Freewheel. So we put in that 11 to 28, and so what happens is you get to contribute some pedaling that's meaningful instead of just spinning right around. That means you can get a better workout up at higher speed and say pedal assist 4 and 5. And if you've ridden, you know what I'm talking about. That clown pedaling starts happening. Your pedaling becomes meaningless. And so with this Freewheel upgrade at Elecruiser, you're able to get that pedaling to be meaningful up in the higher speeds with the higher motor levels. And so you get that workout you want, and you're able to push the bike faster too. So now we're finishing the installing of the new Freewheel. We applied some grease properly to the threads, and now the new Freewheel gets spun onto the hub on obviously the Freewheel side, and so we have the new gear ratio available for the bike. And so there's this is the Shimano 14 to 28 Freewheel we've taken off. And here's the new Freewheel with the 11 to 28 ratio. This upgrade is a very worthwhile upgrade. It's the least expensive upgrade you can do for making your bike feel like a brand new bike. It's just a different bike after you have these ratios in there. You're pedaling up in PAS 4 and 5. So that's it from Elecruiser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.